Registration and login process. This is the index page, which has the option for both login and registration. On both pages, we have got a back button that takes users to the main index page. When registering, users can enter their username and password and even their native language, and there's a password strength indicator that gives live feedback of the password strength. We also have integrated Google reCAPTCHA added, which is added to both the login and register pages for bot protection. And on this page, we've got an avatar to select, and we create a user with this avatar. The navbar includes two main tools. First is the transcribe audio feature. Users can upload an audio file, view the file name, and get a full transcription.
Hello.
As you can see, the transcription has been complete and it says hello. And if we want to see in the SQL database as well, and it gets saved on the transcript. So if you run the SQL,
Yeah.
As you saw from before, the password was created. We're using a hashing algorithm, Decrypt.js, to store passwords securely in the database in a hashed format, as you can see. An example of how our code is saved from XSS. It's taking its input literally as text and not executed, so it's indicating that our website is safe from sanitizing our input. We'll show you how our login system is secure against SQL injection. We'll enter the following in the username part and admin as a password. After solving the captcha and submitting, the server responds with a 400 error, so the injection attempt fails. This is because of the secure code we have written. For example, in the backend, our authenticator.js file uses parameterized queries like the following, which ensures user input is never directly injected into SQL.
Pronunciation clarity score based on how fast or how slow you speak. So we go back to the dashboard and we have a word lookup feature included here where users can search for any word and instantly gets its meaning, antonyms, synonyms, and rhymings and examples for it.
and this uses the same Datamoose API that we have used previously.
And it has the clear button feature where you can clear the whole div with that. Users are directed to the dashboard. From here, they can access profile settings where they can update their username, email, password, language, or avatar. The logout button cleanly logs the user out and takes them back to the login page. Every word the user searches is saved to a recently searched list which displays the last 5 words. There's also a button to clear the history. And as you can see in the database, the recent words there. Then we have the flashcards feature. It shows the definition of a word and the user tries to guess what the word is. At the moment, we don't have any flashcards, but once the user starts finding new words, more flashcards are added. They can flip the card to reveal the correct answer and then mark whether they got it right or wrong. And in this, you can see that there's a quick quiz progress div, and this updates their quiz progress, and the system uses a 1-day speed repetition system to bring back words for review at the right time. Now we are going to do the vocabulary quiz and then show you how it updates the quiz progress bar. And correct means how many times you got the answer correct, and incorrect means how many times you got that word incorrect. And the last reviewed option, it tells you when we last reviewed the quiz, and it tells you the next time it will be reviewing the quiz. Next time it'll be giving us the same question.
And as you can see, if we pull up from the SQL database as well, the quiz progress table stores all the quiz progress of users, and it has correct attempts, which shows the number of correct attempts you took, and the incorrect attempts will store the number of incorrect attempts you used.
We will show evidence of role-based access control by logging in with the admin role. As you can see, we logged in with the admin and admin as password. This part is for admins only. If you click here, you can see that the users have registered on our website. We can add new users, update their details after we've And then we can also delete users. Whatever we can do in our SQL database, we can do here, making it easy for admins to maintain the website.
And lastly, we have a contact us button in which the user type in their name, email, and password seeking feedbacks or suggestions. This is the contact support button, and this is the demo for it. And all of this goes into the text files, which we're going to show in the next few moments. Yeah, so it gets stored in the support messages text file, and all of the details that we entered here are here, and that's for us to know if any users gives us feedback.
Of scalability and maintainability, our website is up to industry standards. We have ensured to include comments throughout our files, as you can see. We have also ensured to group relevant files in their respective folders. And this has all been done to ensure that maintenance is easier for future teams.